Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams, and today I'm showing you how you can add audio tracks free from YouTube. They're kind of hidden in the studio settings, so again, you're going to follow me here, and I will show you how to find them in Loom. All right, see you there. All right, so here I am on Loom in my YouTube interface. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go into the studio settings right here. There we go. Yep, there I am. Okay, so I always put my head here, but that is not really what we want. So I'm going to put it up here because this is where the menu is. So here is the menu. Of course, we have dashboard, this is content, where you have your videos. The playlists are stored here. The analytics, which everybody should get into those because that'll show you how to make better videos. The comments, the subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization, and you have to scroll down to the audio library. So here it is. And there's tons and tons. Look at all this. 1 of 30 to 1,729 videos. So it's kind of overwhelming. So the way you're going to search for the audios is that you are going to go through, you can kind of search through these things. They also have sound effects like kids playing, squawks, squeaks. Let me play some of these. Yeah, I don't know about that. Car drive-by, xylophone. Here we go. Yeah, so I don't really use those so much. So here's the free music. Now here's the thing about the free music. Some people want a link on your video to use the video. Some people want a link that you have to link into your video description where other people don't care. So be careful of that because you don't want to get copyrighted. So the way you're going to find things is we're going to go into the search. Okay, so you have to click this right here, this whole thing, and then you can search by track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration. And this is what I'm talking about. Attribution not required, attribution required. So if you don't want to be bothered with it, then you can kind of search in those settings. What I like to do usually is go by duration. So if you're we have what they call little clips that are intros, and then we have longer ones. So let's just go in here. I'm going to click duration. You can put longer than, shorter than. So let's say I want it shorter, like we're going to make a little intro. So we're going to say shorter than 0.0005. Okay, and we're going to see what comes up. There, okay. So it looks like there's 8. That's a very short one. And so here is examples. Okay, that's pretty annoying. Let's see some other ones. Maybe you would like it. These are really pretty short usually. Okay. Some like those. So those are just like intros. Yeah, and those are really loud. So I'm going to see if I can turn that down just a bit. There we go. So let's go for something a little bit longer. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say, how about 5 minutes? Okay, we'll see what happens here. Okay, so now we have a whole lot more. See, so lots of them. This is kind of the general area where they have them. And so now you can see the different genres. And then they have the mood. So we have the mood and happy or sad, dark, hip hop, things like that. So let's just listen to a few of them. Let's look at Bite Me. I don't know about this. Okay, that was really angry. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the swear words, but that's okay. So let's look at something happy. Here we go. Let's do Happy Rock. This is not a Christmas song. Okay, it sounds like this particular bunch of people are doing mostly lyrics. Now, these are the first time I've heard lyrics on backing tracks. So, but there are always new people that are sending music, to get things. So let's go and see something else. I'm going to go down to, let's go a different phase. Now, what you can do is I think you can go into these moods and you can actually decide you want to have just the happy stuff. So I'm going to go into here again. So, oh yes, I'm going to make another thing. So I'm just going to put now mood. So I'm going to say, I only want bright, I want happy, and say inspirational. So this is going to sort it a bit more if you don't want to have angry swear words on your backing tracks. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we have more, and we can go back and see different artists. Now you can also choose some of the artists if you really like them. So let's look at this one. Here is inspiration. We'll see what this one sounds like. Okay, and if you like that, what you're going to do is you're going to click and download it right here. So you have to mouse over this. So see that the downloads aren't really obvious. And then I'm going to click download. And there it is. It's going to download into my download files right there. Okay, so that's how that works. And let's listen to one more. So we also have things that we call ambient right here. So we have all different musical styles. Here's this one. So I usually go for things like that because I'm not going to be all gnarly. And so sometimes just having some nice soothing music behind there. So I'm actually going to download that too, right there. And it will down into your download files. And let's listen to one more. We'll find, okay, here's another one, like cinematic, like something from a movie. It's going to be a bit more dramatic. Let's listen to this one. Here it comes. And now it's over. Okay, so, and again, these are short. You can probably, again, let's set some duration. And let's also talk about, let's see, attribution, not required. And then that's gonna, if you didn't want to deal with that, you can do all that. So this is really how you can get some videos with some audio. It's free, it's trial and error, and that's how it works. And again, just make sure that if you need attribution, you want to make sure you copy and paste that into your description and you're good to go. And that's how it is. Lots of things. There's always new videos circling in. Some of the ones that I have downloaded aren't there anymore. So if you like it, download it, and then later it may not be there. All right. Hope that helped. And personally, it's always nice to have a little bit of music in the background that suits your topic. So meet me back there. All right, so now you know how to add music. Now there are other places you can find music. It's not only on YouTube. There's some other music where you actually might have payments, or some of them are going to be free, but you have to sign up for. So there's other music than just the ones on YouTube, but I like to go there because it's easier. And so you can just pull off all the music that you really want and keep it in a file. And then when you're making your video and editing your video, what you're going to do is you're going to download the audio and you're just going to layer it with your speaking content. And then you can actually adjust the levels in your software program, and that's how it works. I like to use, I don't always use audio, but sometimes I do with when I'm talking a lot and I'm just talking. Having a nice little background makes things kind of flow sometimes. And so it makes it a little bit easier. It doesn't sound like a boring lecture. And other times I don't. Like sometimes when I get into the tech, I don't always want to confuse that if I'm showing people how to do things. And when I do my reaction videos, I don't
ever put on music because I'm reacting to the music and then I'm talking about the music. So it really is a personal decision, but it's nice to just take a look at what they have on YouTube because it's free. All right. So if this is helpful and you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell and let me know of any other YouTube tech related things that you would like me to talk about. I've been on YouTube for over 10 years, and I need to remind you that this is not my only channel. This is what I call my baby channel. My popular channel is at 76,000 subscribers, has 17 million views, and that's the one I created in 2010. My secondary channel I created in January of 2020, and that channel is almost at 1,000 subscribers, and it's doing also really well. This is the harder channel, but I'm sticking with it. So also I want to let you know to remind you to subscribe, but also I have a free Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies, and that's where I'm coaching and teaching people how to succeed on YouTube. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and you can find the links below in the description. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.